Last year, I tested out some heated socks and really liked them. So I decided to get a pair for my girlfriend, and these are even better. And these heated socks come shipped to your door, ready to heat up your feet as well. It arrives packed up and nicely organized inside of a handy little travel case. Unzip that, and inside you can find your user manual, a double USB-C charging cable, a remote, 2 batteries, and then your socks. On the side of the socks, there's a pocket with a cable coming out. Plug in the batteries and then tuck them into the pocket. Then you can push and hold the button on the battery to power it on. It begins heating up quickly. Then you can use the remote to cycle through the 3 different heat settings. The remote shines a different color depending on the heat setting, so you know what you're setting it to without checking the batteries. And it works on both socks at the same time too, which is nice. Now they're too small for me to try on, but I was able to slide my arm into it, and you can definitely feel the warmth in the feet area. Now it doesn't warm up on the legs part of the sock. It just keeps the feet warm. But it does a pretty good job. My girlfriend tried them out and powered them on. It was snowing and quite cold, and she didn't have warm shoes. But she said she couldn't feel the cold and her feet were warm. Plus I think they look nice. One thing to note though, the socks are quite tight and you can feel the coils on the bottom. But for those times you need them, you'll be happy you have them. Personally, I think they'd be nice to wear skiing, hunting, going on hikes, or even sitting outside for your kids' sporting events. Overall, we're really happy with these socks. I like how it comes with that nice carrying case, so you can keep everything together. I like that it comes with that remote, and I'm glad my girlfriend likes them. So if you're looking for a nice gift to give this Christmas, these heated socks might be a good idea for you too. Till next time, we're off to go on another snowy hike. See ya.